Hi, this is Gene with South Florida Golf Car, and you're watching Fridays at Foster's.
Hey everyone, it's your favorite day of the week, Thursday. Nah. Welcome back to Fridays at Foster's. I'm your host, Juan, the service manager here at Foster's Yacht Services. We're located in this beautiful Lauderdale Marine Center. Let's hop right into this week. On Monday, we completed our prep work for our recovery scour project. We started by prepping the hull for paint by sanding the jug coat off all the surface, which we then primed, then we sanded again. Very important that you prime before you paint so that we can see any of the imperfections in the bodywork while also sealing the bodywork before painting. Then we have Tuesday. On Tuesday, we didn't have much happen. It was raining in the yard, which put a pause on most of our projects. But hey, our marketing guy got a new desk he was really excited about.
Standing. Sitting. It's like a Lamborghini of a desk. This is so awesome!
And on Wednesday, we had all hands on deck to perform the resin infusion on the opposite side of the catamaran that you saw 2 weeks ago. Resin infusion is extremely important because it removes any and all excessive resin, any air pockets, and it also creates the ability for you to install up to 8 to 10 layers of fiberglass at the same time. It also gives you the ability to do all this without any fear of excessive exotherm. And to explain what excessive exotherm is. Excessive exotherm is when you lay too many layers of fiberglass one on top of the other and it starts curing. The curing process makes heat. This heat causes an exotherm, which means the fiberglass is going to crackle or even burst into flames. No good. Thursday, it's time to paint. We taxed our Picasso crew to handle the job. As Dennis explained last week, a great paint job is when you can perform a reflection test on the paint and you can see either yourself or your watch in the reflection, which, as you can see here, it meets our standards. Once the blue is completed, we let that dry and we went ahead and applied nice hot coat of yellow, otherwise known as the best color combo there is out there. Here we are on Friday. We got this new project on our catamaran. Both of the keels have water in them. The water has actually protruded the fiberglass. What we're doing now is we're going to take the outer skin off so we can remove all the rotten insulation. Once again, somebody used refrigeration foam inside a boat. It's a big no-no. So we're going to rip everything out, take out all the insulation foam. We're going to go back with Kusa. We'll fill it up with Kusa, then we'll re-glass everything back in. So if you get a nice shot here, we're taking all the skin right off. Here we are on the opposite keel. We have to do the same procedure. We have to take off the fiberglass. We have to remove all the foam. And if you look in here, you can see why this is an issue. You can almost see all the water just laying in there. And the foam is just rotted. That's why you don't use insulation foam. You use waterproof Kusa board. So there you have it, folks. Another boat, another week, another episode from me. You're welcome. By now, you already know what to do. I'm not even going to say it. Always a blast to share these episodes with you. And if you'd like to learn a little bit more about any of our services mentioned in this episode or any of the other episodes, you can always give us a call at this number or email us at this email or just check our website like a normal person. I'll see you next Fridays at Foster's.